One of the most asked questions we get around here at Beyond Paint is, can Beyond Paint be tinted? Well, the answer is yes, and today we're going to show you how.
Beyond Paint offers a variety of beautiful pre-mixed colors. There may be some situations, however, that require color matching or a custom tint. Don't worry, the process of tinting is easy. For this project, you will need universal tint, mixing containers, stir sticks, and your Beyond Paint. All you need to do is add your desired amount of tint and stir to mix evenly. You may need to do a little bit of experimenting to figure out your exact mixing ratio. The more tint you add, the richer your color will be. Today we're going to be mixing 3 different colors. We have a green, a tangerine, and we're going to be taking Beyond Paint's Poppy and turning it into a burnt orange. The first color we're going to be mixing today is a medium green. So we're going to start with our bright white Beyond Paint and mix in our medium green tint. We're going to slowly add this in and mix as we go until we get our desired color. Remember that the more tint you add, the richer your color will become. So now that I'm happy with my desired color, I can go ahead and start painting. This turned out to be a beautiful minty blue green. Next we're going to be mixing our tangerine color. So we're going to start with our bright white Beyond Paint and adding in our tangerine tint. So now we have our nice tangerine color. For each of our colors here, we used 1 tube of tint. For our last paint mixing, we're going to be using Beyond Paint's beautiful Poppy color. So this is a darker color red, and we're going to be adding a gold to it to make a burnt orange. So we're going to start by adding 1 tube of our gold tint to our Poppy color to help it turn more of a burnt orange. So after just 1 tube of gold tint, we now have our beautiful orange color. Here is our original Poppy color so you can see the difference. So as you can see, tinting Beyond Paint is a super easy process. All you need is universal tint, and you can have the quality and durability of Beyond Paint in any shade of color.